The doctor on trial for alleged negligence in connection with the killing of 8-year-old Giselle Ford testified Friday that a physical examination of the girl 3 weeks before she died revealed no signs of physical abuse. The girl's family is suing Drive Noral Rosado, claiming the child abuse pediatrician failed to alert authorities about the girl's condition, inaction that led to the girl's horrific and life-ending injuries, according to the lawsuit. Rosado, from the witness stand during the second day of the trial at the Daly Center, disputed the contention that abrasions on Giselle's legs and buttocks indicated she had been assaulted. Those marks were nonspecific or non-concerning for abuse, Rosado said. He also termed the marks non-suspicious. Giselle was strangled 2013. Her badly beaten body was found with head-to-toe bruises and an open, maggot-infested wound on the back of her head. She was wearing only torn underwear inside her grandmother's filthy West Side apartment. Authorities said she had been tied to a post, denied food and water, and forced to squat or stand for hours. A timeline of Giselle Ford's short life. A timeline of Giselle Ford's short life. Giselle's grandmother Helen Ford is serving a life sentence for the fourth-grader's slaying. Giselle's mother and her maternal grandfather filed a wrongful death lawsuit against Rosado, and the trial got off to an emotionally charged start on Thursday. Jurors appeared overwhelmed as they saw photos and heard details about the brutal end to the girl's promising life. A burly male juror with a neck tattoo began crying at one point, telling the judge he needed a tissue, as several of the other 14 jurors fought back tears. Trial Judge James M. Varga called for a halt to the trial, and at least 4 jurors left to compose themselves. 2 female jurors returned with a handful of tissues. On Friday, the doctor took the stand, testifying that the linear abrasions on the girl's thighs could have been the result of ordinary childhood activities, such as sitting on a swing or bench or suffering a scrape while playing. Rosado also said the old healed loop mark over her left buttocks, as he wrote in his report, was not concerning. Rosado said he did not photograph the marks on the girl during the exam. He also did not interview her independently. Helen Ford attended the exam and said the marks on Giselle's buttocks were the results of the girl picking at scabs. Martin Dolan, the family's attorney, pointed out that Rosado's exam report was filed 4 days after the girl's death. Rosado answered questions from Dolan in a calm, even-tempered manner, looking directly at jury members as he spoke. Rosado was an employee of Cook County as a staff member of the Chicago Children's Advocacy Center at the time of the exam. For that reason, he's being represented by the Cook County State's Attorney's Office in the lawsuit. He now works at Lurie Children's Hospital. Dolan also asked Rosado why he did not ask Giselle about being forced to perform physical squats at the house. The doctor responded that it was not a concern because the Department of Children and Family Services had already investigated the matter.